How to create a sidebar navigation drawer in Flutter. I created a stateless widget for the drawer. The child is a list view with zero padding. I have two widgets for the drawer header and the drawer items. To create the header, I used a drawer header widget. I set its child to a column. For the drawer items, I am using a collection of list tiles inside a column. When you tab on a drawer item, I am using the navigator and the method push replacement to open a new page. I created 3 pages for this sample. Settings page, Things page, and finally a home page. The app will start on the home page. The code is now ready. We have a stateless widget for the drawer, and we have a widget for the header that use a column, and we have a widget for the items that use a collection of list tiles inside a column. When you tab on the list item, you will get a different page. We have the home page, the things page, and the settings page.